Hi, my name is Emmy and I'm from the Philippines. I am married and now raising two energetic children. I took up architecture when I was in college, but I decided to pursue freelance teaching because I find it more challenging and fun. I am very friendly and can easily get along well with everyone. In fact, making friends is one of my best skills. I am very good in adapting to new environment and new situation. Right now, I am working as a freelance virtual assistant and an online English teacher. I can teach students individually or in a group setup. I'm here to help you develop your English skills or guide you in learning the Tagalog language. I know that learning a new language is not easy. It could be full of struggles, and you will need a lot of practice too. That is why I'm here for you. As your online teacher, our sessions will be fun and interactive. We can practice what you already know and add something new each day. So I hope to see you in my next class.